knows it's quiet too. Whispers rise beneath the moon. Starlight bows to skies so blue. A single heart becomes the tune. A lotus opens, fear undone. From mud to bloom we rise as one. Breathe the earth, the rivers run. Time turns soft, no thief of sun. At the heart a crystal flame, a light that answers every name. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum. The lotus knows what we forget. Kindness first without regret. Chenrezig, the boundless sea, hears each cry and sets it free. Bell and Vajra, space and form, made as love within the storm. Six bright lights in everyone, petals wide, our sorrows done. From the heart a thousand rays find a world and soothe their days. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Hari 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 Sai Hari 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 See a white lotus at your heart. Moon is bright, a gentle star. He awakens, tears depart. Compassion flows to near and far. Oṃ Āḥ Hūṃ. Body, speech and mind align. Every being held in light divine. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum. Mani Padme Hum. Mani 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 Chani Mani Mani Padme Hari. By this